こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか？ Hello, how are you? Today grammar video number 77. We are going to learn this expression ないでください。In this expression ないでください, this part ない, this is ない form of the verb ない形 and it means please don't do. The verb 食べます to eat and the ない form is 食べない食べないでください Please don't eat. When we use て form and 食べてください it means please eat. When we don't say ください only 食べて it means oh eat. In the same way, if we don't say ください only 食べないで it is more colloquial way, casual way. 食べないで don't eat. It's prohibited to smoke here, so please don't smoke. Non-smoking area or the smoking is prohibited. It means 禁煙 and this 禁 it means prohibition and this 煙 this is also 煙 it means smoke. The verb to smoke 吸います but for the ない form we must change this い to わ吸わない don't smoke ここは禁煙ですからタバコを吸わないでくださいここは禁煙ですからタバコを吸わないでください Let's remember these sentences using て form Can I smoke here? Oh no, it's non-smoking area, so you can't smoke. ここでタバコを吸ってもいいですか？禁煙ですから吸ってはいけません。ここでタバコを吸ってもいいですか？いいえ、禁煙ですから吸ってはいけません。Oh, please don't take pictures here. To take pictures, 写真を撮ります。ない form of this verb 撮ります。This is group 1. So the li sound ラリルレロラ撮らない。ここで写真を撮らないでください。ここで写真を撮らないでください。Oh, the wind is strong. Please don't open the window. The vocabulary wind, we say 風 with this kanji and 風が強いです。The wind is strong. When we say 風 we can write in two ways, the different ways in kanji. The first one with this kanji 風 it means wind. But the second one 風 we add this one and 風 this means cold, catch a cold. But in both ways, the pronunciations and intonation is exactly the same, but we use the different way. For example, this one, 風 wind. 風があります。There's some wind. 風が強いです。Oh, the wind is very strong. 風 with this one. 風邪をひきました。I caught a cold. 窓 windows. The verb to open 開けます。開けます。This is the sound of A sound. So it means this is the group 2. 開けます。ない form of 開けます。開けない。Don't open. 開けない。風が強いですから窓を開けないでください。風が強いですから窓を開けないでください。Please don't put sugar in my coffee. Coffee as a drink. Coffee, we say コーヒー and sugar, we say 砂糖 or we can add o for the respect お砂糖 and the verb to put in 入れます入れます is the second group. So the form ない form is 入れない and we use like this. Some place に something を入れます。コーヒーに 砂糖を入れないでください。コーヒーに砂糖を入れないでください。How can we say this? Please don't speak loudly. Voice. We say 声。声。voice. Big volume of voice. We say 大きな声。大きな声。Of course, we can say like this. 大きい声。Using e adjective. 大きい。大きい声。It's just the same meaning as 大きな声。Then maybe you think, what's the difference between 大きい and 大きな? I already made a video about this in adjective number 8. So I'm going to put the link below if you want to know what's the difference between 大きい、大きな and 小さい、小さな. The verb to speak 話します. This is the group 1. It means this she you must change to a sound. さしすせそ。さ。話さない。大きな声で話さないでください。大きな声で話さないでください。大きい声で話さないでください。Please don't worry. The verb to get worried or to worry 心配します。So this only 心配 it means anxiety or uneasiness, preoccupation. This is 心配 and します to do. So this is a compound one. And so 心配します this is going to be the third group. Then しますないForm しない。心配しないでください。心配しないでください。This is a very important picture, so please don't lose it. Important, 大切. This is adjective な adjective. And the picture, 写真 photograph, picture 写真. This is な adjective, so it means the important picture, we say 大切な写真. The verb to lose なくします。なくします。This is group 1. So with that must, this she, you must change to the a sound. さしすせそ。So, なくさない。なくさない。Don't lose. 大切な写真ですから、なくさないでください。大切な写真ですから、なくさないでください。Please don't forget your homework. Homework. 宿題、宿題。And the verb to forget. 忘れます、忘れます。And this is without ます。れ、a sound. So this is the second group. It's the easiest. ないForm of 忘れます、忘れない。宿題を忘れないでください。宿題を忘れないでください。Please don't forget the promise. 約束 This is the promise. 約束 And also it can be the appointment. This is 約束。約束を忘れないでください。約束を忘れないでください。Please don't leave your bicycle here. Or please don't leave, or please don't collocate your bicycle here. Bicycle, 自転車、自転車. And the verb to put something in this place, 置きます or to collocate, 置きます. This is group 1. So without mas, this ki, you must change to the a sound. かきくけこ。置かない。This is the な form. な form. 置かない。And this verb is the place に something を置きます。ここに自転車を置かないでください。ここに自転車を置かないでください。It's not very difficult, right? Now quiz time. With 6 questions, and all of them are the translations into Japanese. 1番目 Please don't lose your passport. Please don't lose your passport. 2番目 Please don't drink alcohol drinks. Please don't drink alcohol drinks. お酒。3番目 Please don't use my cell phone. Please don't use my cell phone. 4番目 Please don't go yet. Please don't go yet. 5番目 This cake is mine. So please, please, please don't eat it. 6番目最後です。You drank a lot of alcoholic drinks today. So please, please don't drive a car. Today we've learned this form ないでください using the verb ない form ない形 of the verb. If you don't remember how to conjugate ない形, you can watch my video Grammar 76 and there I explained all in detail about ない形. This ないでください is really useful to ask someone not to do something. It's really useful. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you can share my videos with your friends, that will help me a lot. Now please listen to me all in Japanese. いかがでしたか？今日はないでくださいという内形、動詞の内形を使ったとても便利な表現を勉強しました。このビデオが気に入ってくださったら、ぜひチャンネル登録、いいねボタンを忘れないでくださいね。忘れないでください。ぜひお願いします。そして私のビデオをお友達に紹介してくださったらとても嬉しいです。本当に助かります。ぜひお願いいたします。ではまた次のビデオでお会いしましょう。じゃあね。